welcome back to my channel. My name is Destiny. Today I am just going to be doing another fun Ulta / Bath and Body Works haul, or any just little things that I've been buying lately. If you are interested in this video, please keep on watching. My first video of the new year. I'm really excited. I hope everyone had a blessed, happy new year. I'm praying for prosperity, happiness, and love and blessings for everyone and their family in this new year in Jesus' name. I'm praying that you grow in Christ. I have been, obviously, I've been doing some moving around with my room. I did a lot of well-needed moving around. I added some LED lights in my room. I've gotten some new sheets. I got some new plushies, my Sanrio plushies. So I love Hello Kitty, so I'm going to be getting a lot of Sanrio things in the future in my room, so I'm going to be excited to share those. Just to get started with the main thing on this video, I did get some things from Ulta and Bath and Body Works. These are the things I got from Ulta. I did get some of these things in the mail, and then I did get some of these things at the store from Ulta. I did get these from Walmart, by the way. I got a couple of them. Camille Rose Algae Renew Deep Conditioner Hair Mask. Walmart had a cute like furry pink rug for like, I think it was $25, and to make it $35, I just got 3 of those. But these are literally the best deep conditioners, like the best deep conditioner ever. So highly suggest it if you haven't tried it. I think these were from Walmart for about $3 or $4, these sample packs, and you could probably get one good, depending on how thick your hair is and things like that, you could probably get at least one good hair wash out of this. But yeah, to get to the actual Ulta stuff, so I got some really nice stuff here. Olaplex number 3. This number 3 is so good for my hair. Like, I use it every time I wash my hair. I use it, it's like a pre-poo. So you put it in your hair before you wash your hair. And it basically just, it helps to detangle. It's moisturizing. It's also strengthening. It gets the bonds back in your hair that's broken down when we use heat on our hair, when we manipulate our hair, or any just kind of daily use on our hair. So it has been my go-to. It is $30 at Ulta, but it's definitely worth it. Even though this is a small bottle, 3.3 fluid ounces, it definitely a little goes a long way, so you don't have to use a lot. Then another go-to product that I'm re-upping on, I guess you could say, or getting again, is the Kenra Platinum Blowout Spray, an advanced dry thermal heat protectant. I've used this in my video plenty of times. I always use this when I blow dry my hair. This thing is amazing. How much is this one? This little bottle is $15. You get a good use out of this. The next thing I got, Eva NYC or Eva New York dry shampoo. I do use dry shampoo pretty often when I straighten my hair. Dry shampoo, because my hair is very fine, so it gets weighed down pretty easy. So dry shampoo definitely just helps to the body back in my hair, basically. This one, I chose this one because it says there's no sulfates, paraben, or philanthropists, I think it says. And then it's vegan and cruelty free, and that's amazing for a dry shampoo. Most dry shampoos have bad products in it, so for this dry shampoo to have good ingredients and it still, you know, help with the oils in my hair, that's awesome. The main thing I got at Ulta is perfume, and it's the Ariana Grande perfume. And it's called Mood. And there was actually, when I went into Ulta, I was not planning on buying this, to be honest with you. I was in Ulta and I was just looking for the Olaplex number 3 and then the Kenra blowout spray. I went in there, I saw this, and I was like, oh, I love her scents. Like, she has a good eye when it comes to good smells. I usually like a floral scent. That's usually I usually like a fruity / floral scent when it comes to good smell goods. You can see she's kind of on all around. They also had a normal mood, which was just like in the silver or gray box. The cologne in here is 3.4 fluid ounces. This perfume right here, it was $68, 100% vegan, is cruelty free and recyclable cartons. The best way I can describe the smell, it's more floral with a little bit of something else. So I did get some makeup from Ulta, and I got two palettes. I got two Colourpop palettes. These are the two palettes I got right here. They are so pretty. So the first one is the Pretty Please palette. Now this palette right here, how pretty that is. I used it today, so you can see it's kind of like purpley, goes with my Patrick hoodie. But this palette is more of just, it's giving Bridgerton vibes is the best way I can describe it, but it is so pretty. So there it is right there. And I did get two matching lip products with this, Fresh Kiss lip products, which are my favorite from Colourpop. The main reason I got this line is because it has like a mauve nude feel to it, and I've always been in love with the mauve nude color. See, this one's called Off to Paris, and I heart that. So this one's like a mauve nude, and this one's like a rosy nude, mauve nude. So these are so cute, and they go perfect with the palette, as you can see. Then, so also with my Winx Club, if you never heard of Winx Club, basically it's a cartoon that I used to watch as a kid. This palette from the Colourpop collection, and then also these two glosses that went with it. So, but this is the front of the palette. How cute. And these are all the characters. So that's Bloom, that's Techna, that's Musa, that's Aisha, that's the black girl. And that's Stella, and that's Flora. So, and it's just the back. There is, I haven't tried this one yet, but it's so pretty. It's literally giving fairy vibes. Absolutely beautiful. And then the two lip colors I got is the black girl, of course, and the Asian girl, which again, that's Musa, and that's Aisha. So Aisha's is blue. That's a really pretty blue color. And then Musa's is like a hot pink. So very cute. Okay, and the last two things for real, for some more of my kiss nails, Frenchy looking ones, French tips. So these are so cute. And then the last thing I got was, I got this really cute Sanrio, which again, the Sanrio is basically with the little ones you see right there. So that's cinnamon roll. And this is my Melanie right here. So my Melanie is the one right here, and that's Hello Kitty. And Sanrio in general is just Hello Kitty and characters, basically. So but this one is just a face mask, the Cream Shop in Hello Kitty and Friends. So I think it is celebrating the Lunar New Year 2023. I don't really celebrate that, you know. I just got it because of the cute little design. And in here it comes with 3 sheets of the face mask right here. And so each of them are the same. Strawberry, collagen, and royal jelly. Yeah, so these really, you just leave on for about 10-15 minutes or so. And just, you know, they're good for your face, basically. And it gives you a nice glow and a nice pop to your face, a youthful look to your face. Yeah. Bath and Body Works stuff, which I got a lot more stuff because it was the semi-annual sale. So this big box right here. Bath & Body Works is very expensive because just getting one set of a lotion, a body spray, and a body wash is literally like $60 or something. That's why it's really important to get shopped during the semi-annual sale and then just get stock up, and then you will have stuff for basically majority of the year. So all this stuff right here. Let's see. Like this was one of them right here. I already started kind of using this one, but this one is the passion fruit and banana flower candle. It smells like passion fruit mainly with like hints of banana, but you don't really smell the banana. This one is, I got this one just because it was pink. I love pink, but you can tell it's one of the holiday ones because it has like the little pretty design on the top. And these were half off, by the way, the candles. So the candles were $25. So they were half off for $13, which is a really good deal. The blush points Sedai. The rose petals is the smell I'm getting right here. Honey, what's it? Honey Crisp Apple. This is one of the fall scents. It smells like apples. It smells very good. These are the three I have in the box. I did get a couple more than these because the prices of these definitely did vary. $5, and then some of them had dropped down to $2. So the hand washes were a really good deal, and these smell so good because when you wash your hands with these, it leaves a lasting scent on your hands, and it really does do a good job of cleaning your hands, and these last a long time. So I got First Snow, which is her scent. So now right there, this one is Cool Crisp Air, Frozen Pine, and Snowy Mint, so like a minty smell. Then I have the Glistening Gumdrop with the polar bear on it right there. This one is Sparkling Gumdrop, Juicy Orange, and Holiday Spice. And this one is the Iced Cinnamon Roll right here. So I know this one smells really, really good. Okay, so I got 3 sets of the lotion, body wash, and the body spray. These are all of the whipped rose and vanilla, because it says it's crushed rose petals, cocoa flower, and whipped foam. So they have a very light scent, but it is like a rosy scent. This is the Pink Lily and Bamboo one. So this is the one I'll be giving to my coworker because this one smells good too. This one says it's wild lily petals, bamboo leaf, pink ginger, fresh fig, and sauna wood. I smell, it's very, very light too, but I smell more like a bamboo smell. That's what it smells like, more of a bamboo smell. Very, very light. So my coworker, I think she'll like it because it's not too heavy, but it still has a good smell to it. So but basically this is the last set that I got. Blackberry and basil. Pretty packaging, that black colored packaging. Fragrance notes of fresh blackberry, pink pomelo, sweet basil, and jasmine petal. So that sounds really good. That sounds like it smells good. What's it smell like? Okay, this one is the strongest scent of all of them. This one has more of a, I don't know how to explain it. It's more of like a blackberry smell, but I don't know what blackberry smells like. So it smells like jasmine. It smells like a mix of the jasmine and blackberry. That's what it smells like to me. I would highly suggest these. These individually, these are only $3 or $4 if I'm not mistaken. So they're a really good deal. And like I said, if you like Bath & Body Works, if you like candles, like if you like these that last a long time, if you like their body washes and you like all those smell goods, get them during the semi-annual sale. This is an amazing deal. You have to shop during sales. All right, so that is the end of this video. I just want to do a fun haul with just some things I got from Ulta and Bath & Body Works. I will be doing just more things that I buy from Amazon, things that I will be doing just more shopping videos videos just because they're fun to me. I hope you enjoyed this video. So I'm still going to be doing a lot of work to my room. As you can see, everything in here is going to be, it's going to be a lot of pink. It's going to be a lot of blues and other pretty colors like that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching again. Please like, comment, and subscribe and share if you care. I hope you all have a blessed, amazing day, and I will see you all next time in my next video. Take care. Bye.